Hello YouTube and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make color toggles in iCUE. Open iCUE and add a static lighting effect. This lighting effect will be your disabled color. With the static lighting effect selected, select the key you want to use a toggle on. Also, with this effect, you can select multiple keys, but not with the on toggle color. Now add a solid lighting effect. This will be your toggle on color. As I said before, you cannot set this up for multiple keys unless you want to toggle on multiple keys all at once. To have multiple toggles, you need multiple solid lighting effects. And that's all. Now when these keys are pressed, they toggle their colors. They can also be any key you want, not just the lock keys. Quick warning, when you turn on your computer, it will be on the disabled color by default. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and share it with your friends. Got any suggestions? Leave it down in the comments below.